the little pioneer who dared to learn. In the heart of a bustling metropolis, amidst towering skyscrapers and the ceaseless hum of urban life, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya was a spirited and inquisitive child, her mind constantly brimming with questions about the world around her and the universe beyond. Maya's thirst for knowledge was insatiable, her curiosity fueling a passion for learning that set her apart from her peers. She devoured books on every subject imaginable, from history and science to literature and art, eagerly absorbing new information and expanding her horizons. One day, while exploring a hidden corner of the city library, Maya stumbled upon a dusty old book titled, The World of Pioneers. Intrigued, she opened the book, its pages revealing stories of daring explorers, groundbreaking scientists, and visionary thinkers who had changed the course of human history. As Maya delved into the book's captivating tales, she felt a spark of inspiration ignite within her. She yearned to follow in the footsteps of these pioneers, to push the boundaries of knowledge and make her own mark on the world. With renewed determination, Maya embarked on a journey of self-discovery, seeking out mentors and teachers who could nurture her curiosity and guide her towards her dreams. She immersed herself in the world of science, mathematics, and technology, fascinated by the intricate workings of the natural world and the limitless potential of human innovation. Maya's passion for learning soon caught the attention of a renowned scientist named Dr. Evelyn Walsh, who recognized the brilliance and potential that lay dormant within the young girl. Dr. Walsh became Maya's mentor, sharing her knowledge and insights while encouraging her to pursue her scientific aspirations. Under Dr. Walsh's guidance, Maya's skills flourished. She excelled in her studies, demonstrating a remarkable aptitude for complex concepts and an unwavering commitment to solving challenging problems. She delved into research projects, seeking answers to questions that had long perplexed the scientific community. As Maya's knowledge grew, so did her determination to make a positive impact on the world. She dreamed of using her scientific expertise to address pressing global issues, such as climate change, disease, and energy scarcity. Maya's journey was not without its challenges. She faced moments of doubt, setbacks, and criticism. But her unwavering belief in the power of education and her unwavering passion for her work propelled her forward. With each obstacle she overcame, Maya's resilience grew stronger. She learned to embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, to persevere in the face of adversity, and to never lose sight of her ultimate goal of making a meaningful difference in the world. Maya's groundbreaking research earned her recognition and acclaim within the scientific community. She became known as a pioneer in her field, her discoveries paving the way for new advancements and innovations. But more importantly, she inspired countless others to pursue their own dreams of learning, discovery, and making a positive impact on the world. Throughout her life, Maya remained a tireless learner, her thirst for knowledge never waning. She continued to explore new frontiers in science, technology, and innovation, her contributions shaping the world in countless ways. Maya's story serves as a beacon of hope and inspiration, reminding us that within each of us lies the potential to become a pioneer, to push the boundaries of knowledge, and to make a meaningful difference in the world. Her journey is a testament to the transformative power of education and the indomitable spirit of those who dare to learn, discover, and create.